Hey guys, welcome to this video where I am going to draw ethnic wear. This is part 1 of the video. Here I am going to show you how I render the skin and color the face and the black long shiny hair. I actually posted a similar illustration on my Instagram and some of you asked me to show the rendering of the face and the hair in detail. So this is what I'm going to show you in this video, that how I give the perfect tan look and the black long hair. So yes, stay tuned. First thing first is drawing everything very neatly with a 0.7 mm pencil, or you can choose any pencil you want. And now I'm going to draw the base color first using my alcohol marker in shade tan. If you don't use markers, then no worries, you can use watercolor medium as well to create your own color shades. And I have a separate video in detail on how to make skin colors using watercolor medium, so you can check that out too. Also, you can use any other pencil medium or watercolor pencils like Staedtler to give the first layer in your skin. You can see that I have added the collarbones and I have also sculpted the cheekbones as well. Also, I will be giving some shadows. I will redo the areas again with my marker, like the cheekbones and the forehead, to give little dimension to my face. And also I will be adding some shadows. You can see I have added the shadows below my face, which is falling on the neck. These marker colors are very good and they dry very soon and the color becomes little light. So I will redo the colors again on those areas where I want to show my shadows. Like you can see, I am also adding some sculpting in the face, and now it's time to draw the hair. For that I will be using two markers in grey and black. So you can follow my hand movement. I have started rendering the hair from the roots and I have kept some white blank space which will indicate the shiny part of my hair. So the first layer is using grey and then I will do the second layer using black marker. You can see that I am moving my marker very slowly to add the prominent hairlines, and I am also leaving this white space at the bulged out area. This is the part of hair which will reflect light, and that's why you can add some highlights there, but I feel like leaving the white part blank will look more natural than adding any other medium like white gel pen over the top. So this is the thing I do while creating that shiny look in my hair. So after I am done with my grey marker, now I am using the black one to add some more depth to my hair. Also, there is a separate video in detail where I have explained how to draw different hairstyles in our fashion illustrations. You can see that. You can give the same look of this hairstyle using pencil medium as well, but just make sure your pencils are sharpened enough to give those prominent detailing of the hair. Some light hair strokes using a pencil, and this will also give the look of my hair is in movement. Also, I used the black pencil to give the shadows below my chin in the neck. So it's time to add the shadows and some sculpting on my face, and I'm using cinnamon shade from the Polychromos range. You can use any pencil medium, whichever you like, but just make sure the pencil color is similar to your base color, whatever color you have used for your skin. Otherwise it won't relate very well and the pencil strokes may stand out too much. So just make sure that both the colors are similar or near to similar. So after I am satisfied with my skin rendering, I will add the final details like the eyes, the nose and the lips. Here I am using micron fine liner to give the detailing on my eyebrows and the eyes. You can see that I have not applied the lower line in my eyes. I like to keep it open, and this will make my eyes look bigger. And for the nose, I will apply the fine liner only at the tip of the nose, and in the lips also I have applied only at the center line, and I will color the whole lips using a red color gel pen. So I am adding some final shadows using a pencil color which is darker than my original skin color, and you can see that I have sculpted the cheekbones and some shadows below the eyebrows and the forehead, and also in the neck and the waistline. And if you feel the pencil strokes are coming too prominently, you can blend it using your earlier pencil color. I mean, the first pencil color I used was cinnamon, so I will use that pencil color again to blend the darker strokes of the second color of pencil. Now this is an optional step where you can line everything like the fingers or the legs and the face with a fine liner. So guys, this is how I render my face and the hair using a combination of the markers and the pencil colors, and sometimes I also create my own skin tones using watercolor mediums. So guys, if you have any other video request, you can write it down in the comments below, or you can contact me over my Instagram handle. Also, I will be posting the second part of this series where I will be showing you how I draw the ethnic wear and how I give the detailing of the stones and the embroideries and many other things. So make sure you have subscribed the channel, and also you can press the bell icon to get the notifications as soon as I post the video. So here I am adding the final details to my hair using a pencil to give the look of those flying hair in movement. Blending your colors is very important to give the smooth feel of the skin. And yes, I am done with this rendering. I have used some pencil colors from the Polychromos range. You can use any pencil. So one marker and two pencil shades I have used for this rendering of the skin, and black and gray markers for the hair. So I hope you liked this video, and stay tuned for the second part. I will see you soon. Till then, take care.